Okay, now we'll take a compass, place the pin on the center point, then on the markings, and we'll make a circle at all the markings we have done of 1 centimeter.
Okay.
It's okay if you're not making the first circle at 1 centimeter.
Okay. Why then this okay.
Okay, now we'll take a protractor
Yeah.
and mark at every 10 degrees. So we'll place it 90 degree at vertical, 180 at horizontal. So 90 degree at vertical, 180 at horizontal. We'll mark at 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180. Okay,
Okay.
80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. And again on the other side. Actually, today we had to start the painting also. So if you are making it on the board, then we can start the painting as well. If you're making it on paper, then we'll have to do something else. I'll explain you about the grids. You are making it on paper only, na?
लाइट ऑन कर दो। बट हाँ, लाइट 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 बंद करके पता नहीं क्यों चला गया।
Samiksha,
या
you are making it on paper only, na?
या
Okay. So today we had to start the painting also. If you are
या
making it on paper, then just make it today on the board as well, so that
या
tomorrow
आई
we
डू
can
दैट।
start with the painting. And right now, after this part is over now, we'll understand
या
a little bit about grid and color.
या ओके। Because first if I'll practice and then I do on board now, so that will
Yeah.
be much better.
So,
That what I think.
so I just wanted to tell you one thing. If you're
Yeah,
taking a paper and finding the center, like you said, so suppose if this is your board,
yeah,
so just find the exact center. So whatever
yeah,
is the total now, whatever is the total of your diameter, exactly divided by half, and wherever your scale is coming. So suppose if this is 16.5, so exact half is 18.2.5. So it
yeah,
has
I
to be very
understand.
exact.
Yeah,
Okay. So just make it that way only,
yeah,
both vertical and horizontal. Then only the center will come out of.
okay,
Let me know once you're done. We'll start the next part.
done.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay. Now, whenever we are doing the mandala on different sizes, okay,
yeah,
so the grid will also change accordingly.
yeah,
So we'll just give a heading mandala on different sizes. So suppose if you're making a fridge magnet or a coaster, we'll start with a fridge magnet. So a fridge magnet is really small. So it
yeah,
is like 3 inch or 2 inch, maybe a small round, or if it is a keychain, okay?
okay,
And it is like 3 inch or maybe 4 inch diameter. So what you can do is you can just find the center, okay?
yeah,
And then directly you can start dotting. So you can just find the center, get your dotting tool, make a dot in the center, and then just make a small design with your dots only, and you just have to follow your dots for the spacing. So you don't have to make any grid. So no grid, just find the center and make your dots. Then we have 5 inches, 6 inches, 7 inches, 8 inches, okay, like that. And this is like coaster. So 5 and 6 would be a coaster size, okay.
yeah,
So in this, You can just find the center, make a vertical axis, make a horizontal axis, make circles at 2 or 3 centimeter. And you can take 20 degree on the protractor. Or else you can just make the circle and not make the lines. Okay, then you will just follow the dots. You will make one dot and then just follow the dots for your design. So again, you can decide. If you don't want to make a grid, you can just make the circles at every 2 or 3 centimeter, or else divide it into 20 degree. Okay, so this is optional. You can do without the grid also and with the grid also. Then comes 10 inches, 11, 12, like that. And we can make a grid like this. Okay, so we can make one vertical axis after finding the center, one horizontal axis. We can divide it into 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter circle, and you can take 20 degree or 10 degree on the protractor. So you can divide the lines accordingly. So this is going to be a grid. 1 centimeter circle and 10 or 20 degree on the protractor for the lines. And then you can start your dotting. So if it is a bigger board like 10, 11, 12, you have to make the grid, like lines and circles both. But if it is like smaller, you have an option. Now comes your intricate grid. Now, this particular grid that I just told you about, 1 centimeter circle, 20 or 10 degree on protractor, this we can also do on big patterns, for big patterns. So, our brush strokes, okay, they occupy a lot of space. They are not an intricate pattern. In the previous artwork, we were only doing like little bit of swipes and swooshes and domes. Okay, so they were like really small and tiny. So for that, we can take an intricate grid. But if the patterns are bigger, if the patterns are occupying more space, so we will be needing a bigger grid. So that is the reason for brush swipes also, we have taken 1 centimeter circles like just now, whatever we made, 1 centimeter circle and 10 degree on the protractor.
Yeah.
So you have to judge if the patterns are going to be bigger also, and even if you are using a bigger board like 16 inch, you have to make a non-intricate grid. Then comes the intricate grid. It's a combination of non-intricate and intricate both. So first thing is we take 1 centimeter on scale for the circles till 6.5 centimeter. So 1 to 6 centimeter, we mark at every 1 centimeter. After 6 centimeter, now you can do this after 6 or 7 or 8 centimeter, anything. After 6, 7 or 8 centimeter, you can mark at every 0.5. Okay, mark at every 0.5. So till 6, you will be marking at every 1 centimeter, and 6.5 till the edge of the board, you have to mark it every 0.5. So this will become like your intricate grid. And same is for your protractor. Protractor is going to be 5 degree. Okay. So protractor is 5 degree and intricate grid is till 6, 1 centimeter, and after 6 or 7, you can make it at every 0.5.
Okay.
Okay. Now, Now we'll make a few more diagrams since we have time, half an hour. So we'll make a yin yang and we will make one more torus maybe. So we'll just learn how to make it on paper.
Okay.
We'll first start with yin yang. So a yin yang is like this. This is a yin yang. I'll
Okay.
send a picture of this. It's there on my Instagram also.
Okay.
You can open your compass at 8 centimeter. And make a circle. Wherever you have kept the pin of the compass, that is going to be your center point of the circle. So whatever we are making, the center point is very, very important.
So in this also, matlab if we are making this on board, so then we have to find center, na?
Yes, yes. If you are making the full thing on the board,
Yeah.
you have to find the center. Whatever you are making, or any grid, you first have to start with the center only.
Yeah.
Now, after you find the center, we have to make one vertical axis and one horizontal axis. So one vertical and one horizontal.
Okay.
Now, this top part is part A and this bottom part is part B. So if ever you're making a yin yang on any size, you have to follow the same formula. Okay. So first we'll keep the scale on part A. Okay. So this is the edge of the circle. So I'll keep the 0 on the edge of the circle. And total from the edge till the center point is coming 8. So I'll divide it into half. So this is going to be 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. Okay, this is 4 centimeter. And same thing I'll do on the bottom. So I'll keep the scale 0 on the center point. Align it with the edge of the circle. This is also 8 centimeter because the diameter is 8. Sorry, radius is 8. We'll mark at 4 centimeter again. Now, I'll place the pin at 4 centimeter, extend the pencil till the edge and make a circle. On the first part, part A. So I placed the pin on the 4 centimeter marking and made a circle. And we'll do the same on the other side. Let me know. Let me know once you're done.
I made this circle, no?
Okay, both.
Yeah.
Now what I'm doing is I'm taking my black pen and I'm just outlining one part of A, that is left semicircle of A, and coming down like this and making a S shape, connecting the right side of the B. Okay. So I've joined these two circles in a semicircle manner, and now I'm going to erase this and this. Right side of A and left side of B. So this is your yin yang. This is the way we make a yin yang.
Okay.
Now we'll do one more. Now we'll make something like this. This is called a torus. This is also a sacred geometry figure. And
Okay.
to make a torus, first thing is we make a circle of like 8 or 9 centimeter.
Okay.
So again, we'll open the compass at, I'll take 9 centimeter. Place your pin, circle. Wherever your pin is, you have to mark it as a center point. And make a line from the center point till the edge of the circle.
Done.
Now, we'll take the scale, place it on the center point on the line that we just made, and we'll mark it 4.5. So the total radius is 9 centimeter. So the half of it is 4.5. So we'll mark
Yeah.
it 4.5. Place the pin on the center point and place the pin on the marking and make a circle.
Okay, done.
Okay. Now,
Yeah.
this whole thing is based on intersection. So this is your circle, and this circle is meeting the line here, intersecting with the line here. So we'll place the pin. The compass will be open at the same measurement now, 4.5 only. We'll place the pin here at the line, okay, on the intersection, and again make a circle.
Okay.
Now, again, if you see here at the bottom, it is intersection. there's an intersection like this. Again, you'll place your pin on the intersection and make a circle.
Okay.
Now again, we'll make a pin, take the pin, place it on the intersection, make a circle.
Okay.
Again, we'll place the pin on the intersection, make a circle. Then again, next intersection, place your pin, make a circle. And then last again, place your pin on the intersection, make a circle. So this is the first part of making a torus.
The last one will come from.
Last one was here, where there's already a petal.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Now, when we made this 9 centimeter circle, it was completely blank, right? So there were no intersections, nothing. It was just a plain circle. We made an intersection, and on that intersection, then we kept our pin and kept making the circles one by one. So now we have to do the same. So we have to go one level up. Okay, so we'll make it a little bit more intricate and we'll make it like a torus. So this particular diagram that you see here, this is also a sacred geometry diagram, and this is called seed of life. Seed of life. Okay. Now one part ahead of this is torus. Okay. So we'll make the torus now. And I will just erase this line, the previous line that I made.
Okay.
Now again, we'll make one more intersection. Now all the intersections are over in this circle. So we'll not be able to make the torus ahead of this. So now we have to create one more intersection. So what I'll do is, just a second. So what I'll do is, I'll place the scale on the center point and I'll just align it with the intersection here and make a marking on the semicircle here. Okay. This is your first circle. This is the very first circle that we made previously. Okay, this is the first circle. So every intersection will land in between these two petals now on the first circle only. So we always have to keep the pin on the first circle itself, always. Place your scale on the center point. Place your scale on the intersection and make a marking on the semicircle.
Yeah.
Now we'll place the pin on the new marking and again make a full circle. Now, if you see, this circle is passing in between two petals here on the first circle. So now this is our new intersection. This is our new intersection in between two petals.
Yeah.
Again, we'll place the pin on the new intersection and make a circle. Now next one, again, we'll place the pin on the intersection, make a circle. Next one, again, we'll place the pin on the intersection, make a circle. Again, next one, we place the pin on the intersection, make a circle. And next one again. The last one will always be on top of a petal. Place your pin on the intersection, make a circle. Now, if you want to know if your torus is perfect, the center petals, the very first center petals are going to be 12 in number. So if it is 12, that means that your grid is perfect.
Okay. Done.
Okay, just give me 1 second. Now we'll do the next one, which is called flower of life. So you can take a new paper.
Okay.
Now this is a A4 size paper. So if we see the total of this paper, it's going to be somewhere around 30, so 29.8 or 29.9. So we can make a marking at 15. We'll not make it exact. 1 or 2 mm here and there is fine in this case. And we'll make a line passing through the center point.
Okay.
Now open your compass at 3 centimeter. Place the pin on the center point and make a circle. Now again, this is purely based on intersection. So first is we'll make circles on top of the line, then at the bottom of the line. So here the line is meeting the circle at this point. Compass will be open at the same measurement. Again, make a circle. Again, take your pin, place it on the intersection and make a circle. And we'll repeat it once again here on the top.
Okay.
Okay. Now we'll do the same at the bottom. Again, place your pin at the intersection here. Make a circle. Again, next one, place your pin on the intersection. Circle. Next one as well, place your pin on the intersection and make a circle.
Done.
we'll do the same on the left side and the right side. Okay, so left and right, both we are going to do the same. So here also, if you observe, the circles are intersecting with each other. So we'll start with the first one. Here only two circles are intersecting. Now below, three circles will start intersecting. So we place the pin on the intersection and make a circle. Now here at the bottom, if you see, now three circles will start intersecting. Again, place your pin on the intersection and make a circle. Again, place your pin on the intersection, circle. Now one point at the bottom, you have to just place your pin and make the circles. Like this.
Okay, done.
Now next one, here again, we'll place the pin on the intersection where two circles are meeting and we'll make a circle. Again, we'll place the pin.
भाई बनवा लो ना वो भाई साउथ की तो बहुत है भाई खुला है बंदा आया था रात को कैसे पीपल नहीं है बोला कि भाई मेरे को 25 लाख मांगा था कि बताओ 25 लाख दो तो हम
Done.
Okay. Now again, next. Here we'll start right side. So today you can just make the grid and if you want, you can just practice on the PDF. Those practice sheets, you can just practice
Yeah.
your brush stripes. There are not many domes in this artwork. Less of domes and more of brush strokes. Left side also will do the same. So you can just make this one more. So for tomorrow, we will learn how to complete this. Okay, entire thing, and we'll make it twice. So you can just make the same thing again and keep one sheet ready for tomorrow. So we will learn how to complete this.
Okay.
The sides. Okay, but center, left and right, you will see 3 lines are completed with the petals.
Yeah.
Only the sides and the top and bottom portion doesn't have petals, so we will complete it tomorrow.
अभी क्लास में गया आपकी नहीं हाँ बोला भाई ऐसे काम जो बाकी जिनको डाउट था वो भेजो बहुत क्लास में 3 खोल के देखा उसके अंदर कितना कंटेंट
You will send me the recording by evening, huh?
Yeah, I'll send it. We'll meet tomorrow at the same time?
Yeah.
Okay. See you tomorrow.
Bye bye.
Bye.
नहीं पड़ता